Hello everyone, my name is Justice Kofi Hackman. Today I am going to demonstrate an example of mobile learning and gamification using Kahoot. Mobile learning or M-learning is learning through mobile devices such as smartphone and tablet. Gamification, on the other hand, is the use of game elements such as points, competition, ranking, and rewards to make learning more engaging. So in this demonstration, I will show how Kahoot can be used to combine both concepts. So I am going to open the Kahoot app. So I have opened the Kahoot app. So this is the interface of a Kahoot app. This is how it is. This is the interface. Okay, so this is the interface of Kahoot. So I'll create a short educational quiz about mobile learning and gamification. Kahoot allows a teacher to create interactive questions that students can answer using your mobile phones. So this is how I'm going to create educational lesson. So you see where the cursor is, you go to library. I've already created a quiz question, so I'll just go to this place. I'll go to draft and show you how you are going to create a quiz question. So this is the first question that I've already created. So this is a question that I created. This is how we are going to create the educational quizzes question. So this is the first question, and this is the second question, and this is the third question of the quizzes. So you will just type here any question that you want to input. You click here, then you type in the questions. That's how it is. Then the next one to just type in here. Then the options are here. You are going to provide is it A or B or C? You provide the optional answers over there also. So then you click on save. Then you save your document or you save your quizzes. So here I cannot save it because you need to make payments to the site before you can use it. So what I will do is that I will use a draft. I will save it as a draft. Yes. So as I said, so the first question is here. So thank you very much. Make sure you comment, you like, and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned. Bye bye.